YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. Got the Lotus in the background. Favorite little thing. Look at that. Oof. What we're doing today is we are going to be polishing the Evo 10. This is how you polish your headlights. So I have an SSS package headlights. It's like sight spoiler sound or sight sound something. On my car, so they have really cool headlights with the projectors. The sight is for like the headlights. I really like them. They look really good, but they're kind of oxidized, so we need to clean them and polish them off, and I'm going to show you guys how. So first things first, let's go ahead and jump over to the Evo. I'm going to show you guys how to polish it. All right, so this is what you're going to need: a drill, red and black, a bottle of water, red and black, hilarious. And then this is my favorite kit by 3M. 3M I think is an American company. They do a really good job. I really like this kit. I've used it many times. It comes with everything you need, and it's very affordable. You can find it on Amazon. It's anywhere from like $15 to $30. It's very affordable, very good kit, but you need all three of these things. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So this is my current headlight. Beautiful, cool headlights. Let's go ahead and get it wet real quick first. It's not as bad as you guys see it. So here is the current headlight condition, kind of. I guess this is what you're gonna say. It's oxidized. So, and it's a really cool headlight. It's a very cool headlight. I really like it. These are awesome. The only thing I don't like about this set on the Evo 10 is this amber part right here, which I've thought about opening it up and fixing that. So I'll probably do that in the future. But for now, we're just gonna get a nice polish on that. As you guys can see, I do have the front bumper removed. So that's what I would recommend doing it. You don't have to, because we're gonna mask this part right here, and I'll show you how to do that. But you can actually do that for the rest of the car if you don't want to remove the front bumper. Since I already have mine removed, this will be an okay, so you guys can see I masked this up right here, just so that when I'm using the orbital, it doesn't scratch the OEM paint on there. This is the part, if you've done this before, you'll know you need to mask this. You would have done the lower bumper, but I removed my bumper, so it's over here. But you would have wanted to do the lower bumper and then the part right here. And then if you just leave the hood up, this is all exposed. So I probably will shine that part of that, but you can see how dull it is, and we're gonna do it before and after. Okay, so you open the kit and you take out your drill. You drill this, you screw this mounting point with this little cushion pad with the highest grit drilling pad, which on this case is 500. That means it's P500, that's the grit level. And then it goes higher and higher. We'll end up using the compound. So we'll go from the 500 all the way to the compound. So this is how it is. Let's go ahead and start sanding in. So we'll take our water and cover it with water to do a nice wet sand, so we don't scratch it too much. But now what we're doing is we're just gonna literally be scratching all that yellow haze off. Okay, so this is after the first one of the P500. That sandpaper grit right there, you can see it really got all of that junk off of there. Look at that. It's just caked up over. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse it off right now. You might want to use a more water, or a bigger water bottle, because it takes a lot of water, to believe it or not, all the wet sanding. There we go. Okay, so now it's completely pretty hazed over. I'm gonna do one more. I can still see some swirl marks in there, so I'm gonna do one. Okay, we've now switched over. We're using the P800 versus the P500, so it's a higher grit. This is the final, they call it the finally disc, but it's like only the second one. We're gonna use that now. Okay, so I've completed step 2, which I went over with this, with the higher grit. Now, I'm actually gonna do it one more time. I'm kind of a nitpicky guy. We've moved on to the final sanding step of the sandpapers. P3000, ooh, so we went 500, 800, 3000. We're gonna go ahead and put that on right in the middle of it there. And then now we're gonna use this, the P3000, and some water, just as we've been going before, and we're just building our way up. So you can see how hazy that got, but we're gonna keep it extra lubricated. I do recommend spraying the pad before you putting it on there, like that. And we'll go ahead now and use the P3000, and we'll do about 6 to 10 passes. So we finished, we've removed that disc. We're gonna take my microfiber from my website, MITCHDORE.COMHOW, wipe this clean, get as much water away from this area as you can. Get a giant nice microfiber from MITCHDORE.COMHOW. Okay, so it's starting to look better actually, you can actually see. But what we're gonna do now is use the rubbing compound. And this is where the magic. We have this oversized cushion pad right here, foam pad. And now we're gonna take some of the rubbing compound that they give you. They don't give you scissors, but do cut it at an angle right here. Kind of like that, because you don't really need the whole thing. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna dab. You're gonna do a dab, do a dab around this thing like that. Yeah, you don't need too much of it, otherwise you'll get sling. And then make sure you put that back and tilt that upwards, otherwise it'll make a big mess. I know from experience. And then what I like to do next is kind of just like this and sponge it on right here, because we want it all over all the surfaces. Okay. And then now we're ooh, it's starting to look good. So that was the first pass. So I used all that I put on the first pass. I'm gonna do another set of dab on here, another full dab. So do another full dab. You gotta say something for that second headlight too. Wow, look at that. It is so shiny. It is like brand new. That is crazy. That looks so good. So that is the passenger side done. It's all done. Now let's jump over and do a comparison. Yeah, ooh, gnarly. Yeah, that was bad. All right, now we're gonna go back over to the new one. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Looks so good. So now we're gonna go over to this side and do this one again and repeat this the same process. And then I'll put the front bumper back on, but this is pretty much how you do that. It's not that hard. Just kind of follow the kit. Go over it more than not. That's my recommendation. Sand it down more than what you'd actually think you do, and then be careful on the first one. So let's go ahead and cover this up, this masking, and then go ahead and start doing this. All right, just like every time I drive the Evo, we end up at the gas station. So I did finish the polishing. I'm gonna show you guys this insane edit. This is gonna be nice. It'll be the intro of the video to how crazy shiny I got these, but look at this. Oh wow, that is awesome. Those look so good. Wow, that is crazy. So much better. Oh my gosh. That is so good. That is crazy. So that's how you get a nice shine on that. Oh, that is just so good. Look at this right there. Yeah, that's awesome. I love those headlights. Those look so good. So I'll do a quick edit here and then I'll wrap up the video, but this is how I get a nice shine on my Evo headlights, or how to polish Evo headlights. Now you can apply this to pretty much any plastic modern headlight. I don't know if you'd want to do this on glass. I don't think you'd probably do this on glass, but maybe. I'm not sure. I don't think the glass ones would fog over like this. But man, that is a great result. All right, so that's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope someone uses this to find out how to shine their Evo 10 headlights to make them look like that. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. So if yours are worn out, make them look brand new like that again. Wow, oh, that's so good. Make sure to hit the like button, guys, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.